Hello, hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel again. Good morning, good afternoon, and then good evening, depending where you are listening from. I remain your girl Grace, yeah, and some people call me Auntie Grace. Well, and some people call me Madam Grace. Some people call me, just call me Grace. I'm fine with that, okay? All right. So, like I just rightfully said, welcome back to Gracelinkherbal. To our returning friends, I can't thank you guys enough, checking back on us, believing in us. God bless you for me. To those who are here to subscribe to my channel, I don't know why you're waiting for. I don't know why you're keeping it so long to do the needful. Just subscribe to the channel and then turn on the bell notification icon. Yeah, so that you don't miss any of my updates, because by God's grace will be coming up with new topics, new teachings almost every week. Okay, yeah, even if you can't do it every day, like every other day, like, okay. So today we have another interesting video I would love to share with us. This video is just a very simple routine. I have my, yeah, this is olive oil. I don't know if you're seeing it. Yeah, this is my olive oil. Okay, this is Goshen olive oil. Why this is Goya olive oil? So I'm going to share with you how best you can use this to attract favor. If you have an office work where you do work every morning, you do go to work, just like normal day, and sometimes some people don't even pray at all, just normal praying. Oh God, guide me or do this. Okay, some people find it difficult. I don't know. You need favor. You need people to favor you. Even if you're a trader, you're a business person, you're a businessman, a businesswoman, a teacher. Yeah, do you know you can get some help, some favor from the parents of the pupils you are taking care of, or the students? You can get help from them. That's not just all. Anywhere you are going to, you need, because you need people to favor you. As long as you need people to favor you, I would like to introduce to you how best to use any of this. You can use this is Goya and this is olive oil. Okay, I have this too because they are both olive oil. So this is extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I use this mainly if I want to do spiritual work, and this one also, the two works wonders. Actually, they are two wonderful oils. Yeah, because it's from olive oil, and olive oil, believe me, is one of the best oil you can ever think of when we talk of spiritual works. Okay, so how do we use this, or how do we take care of this? Like I told you guys, if you have this or this, fine. When you get any of this, you get me a white container. Hmm? Remember, once you get this from the market, the first thing you need to do is to lay your hands on it. Pray over it. If you get any of this thing, any of the item from the market, don't just start using it immediately. No, you have to lay your hands over it, pray and declare words that you want it to do wonders, like miracles and others. Okay, you are declaring it what, um uh, um what's it called again, as in you're declaring it powerful, like whatever soever any evil seed so in here, whoever that touched it for anything that is ungodly, that is unclean, you are using your power, because you have your own power, and to remove it. All right, so when you are done doing praying over it, use perfectly an olive oil. In fact, you can do your fasting and prayer because of this, because of any of this. Anyone you want to use, you can do your fasting and prayer because you want to sanctify it and make it holy holy oil. Okay, just like we have holy honey, we have holy water, that's the same way we have holy oil, or some people call it anointing oil. You can use to anoint your children, and then anoint yourself, anoint your family. As long as you prayed over it, and sanctify it by God's grace, it can do wonders for you. Okay, so that is fine. So after praying over this, you get me a white container. put some portion of this into that white container. Get me sea salt. Take 3 pinch and make sure you pray over this sea salt. 3 pinch of it and pour it in there, and then get your original honey. These 3 items: original honey, your sea salt, or you can get Epsom salt, and then this. Mix all together after praying over it. You can do fasting because you want to satisfy. No, just do it. If you want to make it in a big quantity, fine and beautiful. Mix it very, very well. Declare words on it. After that, the next thing you should do, you can do it for 3 nights, like every night you wake up and pray over it. Whenever you're going out in the morning, use this finger. If you have been following me on this channel, you know that these 5 fingers has 1 or 2 things. You need something they're good in. Okay, this is authority finger, command. Okay, so you can command, you can author. So you can use this, the middle finger, dip in there inside the prepared oil, sea salt and honey. Put it in there, bring it out and declare and tell this as it's sweet, as everything here are good for human consumption, and it tastes good. As I taste it, I know it's going to taste good in my mouth. So shall my life taste good. Everything about me, whatever I'm going to lay my hands on today, must be exceptional. I must be great. Yeah, just declare good words. You lick it up. Go wherever you want to go. Come back and give us your testimony, because I'll be waiting for you with enough testimonies. I just prepared my own. I can't touch it anyhow. If you have kids that are going to school, every Monday you can anoint your kids. You can as well tell them, put your hands there, tell them to take a taste of it. Lay your hands on them and pray over them. This week must favor them. Declare words as a mother, declare words as a father, and you watch your kids doing exceptionally good. Okay, so remember I said olive oil, you can get this, you can get this, so they are all good. Okay, then honey and the sea salt. If you can't get sea salt, get Epsom salt. If you can't get Epsom salt, don't use refined salt for anything spiritual. I don't encourage the use of refined salt. I know salt is salt, but those ones must have gone through some processes. Okay, many hands must have touched it. Though we still have local salts, they are not processed, they are unprocessed salts. They are also okay. You can as well use them. All right, so just mix them together. Declare good words, declare your intention, make it known whatever you want them to do for you. After that, you keep it in a tight corner. Okay, be taking it as a routine, something you need to be taking more often. Before you know it, you get used to it. It will become something if you even have a conversation, you have an exam to write, even if it is an interview, you can just do the same thing. Put it in if you're going for an interview, please listen. If you're going for an interview, I advise you, when you get these 3 things, you put in your hand, mix it at your palms. As I'm mixing it, you are declaring good words. As I'm mixing it, you are declaring good words. As I'm mixing it, you are declaring. Tell yourself, this job is for you. You've already gotten the job. Believe it that you have gotten it, because see here, your future, your testimonies lay here. So no one has the ability to clean whatever that is your destiny. That's why you always I always tell people, be careful of those you give your handshake. Be careful of those who touch here, your forehead. These two places are too delicate for you to be careless with it. Okay, so as you're going for interview, something that will put food on your table, put it on your palms and tell the clear words. After that, you lick your palms, because your palms is going to touch money. Like very soon, like pretty soon, you're going to testify. So I'm going to stop here for now. See you guys in my next video. If you love what you're doing here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you don't love what we're doing here, I don't know why. Maybe we are not doing it, but you can tell us how to do it better, because we want to be best of myself. Thank you for watching us. Love you guys.